55. Taxation. Pastor S.M. Schlizzle of Brooklyn, New York, once called my attention to 1 Chronicles 21:1, King David's sin in numbering the people, and to the comments by biblical scholars some generations ago. The scholars who saw David's census as evil wrote, quote, "The sin of David numbering the people consisted in its being either to gratify his pride or to ascertain the number of warriors he could muster, or, perhaps more likely still, to institute a regular and permanent system of taxation which he deemed necessary to provide an adequate establishment for the monarchy, but which was regarded as an innovation on the liberty of the people." End quote. Today, a California state senator telephoned me to say that during the discussion of a new tax bill, he had asked a simple question. "What about the morality of this tax?" All looked at him blankly and then continued as though he had said nothing. Earlier in the history of the United States, however, John Marshall warned, quote, "The power to tax is the power to destroy." Nothing has changed that fact. God declares plainly, "Thou shalt not steal," Exodus 20:15. Some countries have actually raised income taxes to compel large landowners to sell their farms. This is theft. But the answer is not a tax revolt, but a return to morality and faith. Our civil governments are bad because we the people are immoral and we get the kind of rulers we have earned and deserve. Change begins with us. Only then is it effective.